Hello friends. Today I want to show you. This is an animated template for PowerPoint. The following partnership infographic template is perfect for such topics as a business partnership, negotiations, etc. On the master slide, you can see an illustration of two blue and red colored hands shaking. On the right side, there are two text placeholders with the dummy text which is supposed to be replaced with your own content. All the parameters on this template are fully editable, such as a background color, placeholders, and file format. You can use this template while working in PowerPoint or Google Slide. Do not miss a chance to create a presentation as a professional. Your target audience will enjoy such a presentation. If you are searching for a stylish and multi-purpose infographic template, hurry up to browse the following partnership infographic template. All graphics in this template are fully editable. Easy change any color with using the color schemes in PowerPoint. You can download this template for free at the link in description below. Please press the like button if you like this template, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.